This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block or allow pop-ups on the Microsoft Edge web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up. To enable or disable pop-ups, first thing you want to do is go off to the lower right hand corner down to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Then on this page that opens up, you want to tap on Privacy and Security. Then right in here, block pop-ups. By default, that should be turned on. You should be blocking pop-ups, but if you tap on it, there's a toggle there. If it's toggled on, you're blocking pop-ups. If you toggle it off, then you're allowing pop-ups. Then all you need to do is go up to the top and tap on Done. That is how to enable or disable pop-ups on the Edge browser using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.